Energy-efficient windows in New Orleans are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows New Orleans, residents can enjoy significant energy savings and enhanced window performance. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable home environment in New Orleans, Louisiana. Proper window insulation helps to prevent drafts and reduce energy loss, making it an essential component of any energy-saving strategy. New Orleans Window Insulation Services offer a range of solutions, including double-glazed windows and insulated glass units, to enhance thermal efficiency. Double-glazed windows Louisiana are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, providing excellent insulation and reducing heat transfer. By installing double-glazed windows, New Orleans residents can enjoy improved window energy savings and reduced utility bills. Low-E Glass New Orleans is an innovative solution for enhancing window thermal efficiency. This type of glass features a special coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to pass through. By incorporating low-E glass into window upgrades, New Orleans homeowners can achieve better window UV protection and heat reduction. Window replacement New Orleans is an effective way to improve a home's energy efficiency and overall appearance. By opting for energy-efficient windows New Orleans, homeowners can benefit from modern designs and advanced technologies that enhance window performance. Window replacement services in New Orleans offer a variety of options, including thermal windows and triple-pane windows, to suit different needs and preferences. Energy-saving windows Louisiana are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. These windows feature advanced technologies such as argon-filled windows and energy-efficient glass, which provide superior insulation and thermal efficiency. By choosing energy-saving windows, New Orleans residents can enjoy a more comfortable living environment and significant cost savings. Thermal windows New Orleans are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and enhance window thermal efficiency, making them ideal for the New Orleans climate. By installing thermal windows, residents can enjoy improved comfort and reduced energy costs. Window installation New Orleans is a critical step in ensuring optimal window performance and energy efficiency. Professional window installation services in New Orleans ensure that windows are properly sealed and weatherproofed, preventing drafts and energy loss. By investing in expert window installation, homeowners can maximize the benefits of their energy-efficient windows New Orleans. New Orleans window upgrades offer a range of options for enhancing a home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. From window tinting New Orleans to window retrofitting Louisiana, there are numerous ways to improve window performance and energy savings. By exploring different window upgrade options, homeowners can find the perfect solution for their needs. Insulated glass units Louisiana are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These units consist of multiple panes of glass with a sealed airspace in between, providing excellent insulation and reducing heat transfer.